Hello, this is Michelle McMillionaires. I am the author of Beauty Secrets for Your Soul. All right. Here at Topaz Lake, all right, Nevada. Just finished visiting the folks. This was us a while back. Lake Tahoe a while back. Anyhow, finished the best Father's Day and birthday celebration ever. Now I'm here at the gem of the lake, Topaz. All right. We've got the eastern sunrise sunlight gazing upon us now in all its infinite glory. This is a beauty secret for your soul. Drinking in all of that heart, warmth, wellness every day. It is the inner landscape that reflects the outer landscape of all of life. All right? Important, right? Perspective to remember. You see this gorgeous view? It is a jewel. Think of it as a gemstone in life, right? Yes, Topaz Lake, the gem, the beauty. Okay. Yes. All right. Make it a brilliant day, everyone. Love you. All right. Beauty secrets for your soul. You can find this on Amazon. Love you.